Alright, what's going on, guys? This is Hazy, and today I'm going to be bringing you guys an episode on our channel. It's called Vera's Clip of the Week, and every week we're going to be doing a clip. It could be by one of our members and by one of you guys. And anyway, this clip here we have Tyson, and I don't really know if he's still in Vera or not, but he hit this absolutely insane clip on studio. It was for the Saw Sniping and L7 RC. As you can see, it looks really insane. He's got the KSG and he's got the DSR 50, and this is like a double wallbang, I'm pretty sure, as well. And yeah, so anyway, yeah, if you guys want to submit your clip, make sure to just comment down below, you know, your clip that you hit, and you could be in the next episode. Remember that it could be Vera members or yourself. Anyway, yeah, so this clip was really insane. Congratulations, Tyson. A link to his channel will be in the description. Make sure to sub him. And yeah, so anyway, guys, my name is Hazy, and I am out. Peace.